Today we are celebrating the International Girls in ICT Day alongside the International Telecommunications Union that ATC Uganda subscribes to. We are working with Makerere University, Kyambogo University, Airtel Uganda and UETCL to celebrate the International Girls in ICT Day, even though there is a recognition that the number of girls and women that are coming into the technology field are increasing year on year. We are seeing them in school, but not directly translating into the workspace. And therefore the reason to celebrate International Girls in ICT Day under the theme of leadership.
The relevance of trainings for young girls in ICT today is basically to empower the young girls. You realize that the ICT field, the technical field, is mainly dominated by men, and the girls are really few. So with girls coming up from campus and they are showing interest in the STEM field, it's really important that we encourage them and empower them to be able to pursue this and grow.
Events like this, they empower us, the girls. We are able to interact with bigger people in the field. So we get that necessary mentorship to equip us with the knowledge to move on, aside from the theory we get from the institutions.
I have learned quite a lot. First of all, the women that have presented today are working in very big positions. They have done so many things, so it shows that we actually stand a chance. I mean, if they can do it, that means I can do it. I've learned how to position myself strategically so that I can be able to transition properly from school into the workspace. I've learned how to be open-minded, confidence boosting, self-esteem. So, yeah.
Airtel, a reason to imagine.